Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Chevy Malibu Limited LT, stock number Z7105A. 21,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. This Malibu was owned by one of our employees. Butte red metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And removable cargo net. Perfect for keeping smaller items secure. This limited LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora and Stitcher radio apps, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, CD player, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, spacious glove box with all the owner's materials, overhead, auto dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Malibu has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, 202 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Nice balanced power and fuel economy with those 202 horses, EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 34 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7105A to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.